Hello world and welcome back to another episode of Post Finem. So here we are, right where we left off. I did clean up the stuff down here, and let me see if I can poke my head down here. Yeah, it's dark. Probably shouldn't be that dark. I used the ME conduit I had retrieved to run to these things, and got these toggle buses. Now I just ran the redstone conduit to control these. So now I've got two levers, one for the storage and one for the growth accelerators, so that way we can turn them on independently. And if I could actually fly, that would be great. Alright. So, stop that. There we go. So this is all ready to go. We just need to make up whatever we need here. So let's take a look. And I got an unclaimed reward. Oh, cool. Oh, we get more conduit. Good. And I'm gonna go for the conduit. We're gonna need it. Oh, and we made this too. So we just need to make the Certus quartz seed. Okay, so Certus quartz seeds, sand, I think. Let's see, it's gonna tell us, yeah, sand and Certus quartz dust. So let's do that. Not charged. We're probably going to want to make a charger. I think it's cheaper to make the non-charged quartz than the charged quartz. So let's go ahead and do that. And I did make that octet that I was talking about eventually. Now sand. Did we use all our sand on glass? No. We're just going to make up 4 to start with, I guess. And you see how that doubles the number of pure crystals you get. So we should be able to complete that quest. Oh, nuts. Well. Oh well. I really should look at the things before I do them. Alright, so that was all of that. Now we need a logic press and a silicone press. Let's get these going. Turn that on, toss those in, and they'll do their thing. So once those get grown, we can make our other things. Silicone and logic. Calculation, is it all pretty much the same? Oh no, this one, oh, we could have completed that. Logic, silicone. Okay, so that's pulverizing sand, sag milling, chemical synthesis. We probably have a ton of silicone. Let's check. Here we go, silicone. Oh yeah. Oh man, we got tons. So let's just go ahead and convert that. Still growing. Pop all that out now. How did that go? 16 in the top corner. 6, there we go. Give me your silicone. Alright. How's that going? Aha! We've achieved crystals. And it's really nice and quick with all 5. So the only way I've really found a good way to automate this is Steve's Factory Manager, but it's quite expensive in this pack, so we might actually have to get to Steve's Factory Manager here at some point. Atomic alloy. Now I think we have some. Yes. Okay, so the recipe is a block of iron, huh? Well, we got blocks to spare, I suppose. So there's that, and the silicone guy. gotta pop that up there and that up there. Alright, so we got that. Now we need that logic, which is a piece of gold. And that should complete our quest. Oh no, it's probably gonna... Oh, we gotta actually make the inscriber. We don't get one. What the heck is that? I don't even want to look at the recipe. I'm scared. Oh, come on. I guess it's not bad. I might actually have them. Ooh, yeah, I do. What was I doing? Oh, yeah, here. We got one of those. What kind of reward am I getting out of this? Let's take a look. Alright, so we're gonna need five presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5. Well, okay. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Do these have to be sticky pistons? Looks like it. Okay. So we're gonna need 10 pistons and 5 crafting tables. Let's clear that out. There's that. Unfortunately, our block of iron is useless on this. Let's take that out. I have a feeling we're going to need the glass, and I'm just going to be running back here to get it, but for now. And then let's just kind of miscellaneous drawer this. Okie dokie. I need to make an armor stand maybe, and then I can have all that ready. Redstone. Not beeswax. Redstone. Put that in there, and of course I don't have any planks. Why would I have planks? I wish I could convert those back into blocks. That would be really useful, because I have absolutely no use for wood slabs right now. Maybe even ever, but I don't know. Maybe it'll come in handy. Okay, so we were making 10 of these. There we go. And that makes just this. Oh, wait, we need those crafting tables, of course. 5. And that should be what we need. Let's see. Alright, so that's 5. Now we need sticky pistons, so I probably should have just kept that recipe in there. Yes. We need 10. What do we need more of? We need more wood planks and cobblestone. And wood. I'm sure there's a hotkey to make one stack, but I don't know it at the moment. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then some slime balls. Let's see. Where would I have slime balls at? I know I have some. There's 3. Can you use raw rubber? Okay. Let's put that back. Let's see if I've got any raw rubber sitting around. Oh yeah, we got raw rubber to spare. Need to close up that hole before it claims a life. Maybe I should just put caution tape around it. Sounds like a good plan. Please don't step there, it's dangerous. Alright, there's 10. So we got those. Fairly certain we have... if I could click right, steel. Steel. Electrical steel. Steel ingots. 1. That's gonna be... I have to melt down some iron and some coal, I believe. Yeah, carbon and iron. Oh boy. Oh, did we leave? We left that crystal growth accelerator on. Oh no, it's off. Oh, was that just from growing those 1 crystals? What is eating that power? Do we have a leak here? Maybe if I pick these up? Something is hemorrhaging 3,000 RF a tick. Yep, that's all gone. This is offline. These guys are pumping away. This one still has coal in it. Why? Oh, I haven't actually filtered it yet. Okay, what? Oh, that's right. I got those spawners on. Is that really eating 3,000? So yeah, I fixed this area up also and put down an Enderman spawner and a Blaze spawner. This is all gonna move still. I don't know that I like it here, but yeah, I left that on. Well, we've got plenty of blaze rods. I don't think that would eat 3,000 a tick though. Well, we're back to plus, so I guess that was it. Wow. All right. Problem solved. Let's put those back down. Stop that. All right. Now we were making these presses, which means we need steel, and I went to get the carbon. Carbon. I don't think I have any because I've been melting them down into carbon nanotubes. So I guess we can take some coal, charcoal, and melt that down. And some iron. And melt that down. Alright, so while that's going on, we could probably look at some of the other things. Besides this, which is going to move, as I keep saying, I did some work on the rail area, and I've actually got the entire roof up. So, yeah, so it's looking, I like how this came out. I was down there doing the bees, and I just kind of got to messing around up here, and the design just kind of fell together for me, so I ended up finishing this off. I like it. It really came out good. Keeping these roofs up is challenging. That's where these guys came in, is I couldn't span it. And the glowstone actually acts as a solid block to build things around, like the glass. If you place a glass block there with this stuff right here, it doesn't support. The glass will break. So I kind of had to find the right mixture to keep all this stuff up in the air. But that also means I should probably do more with this than what I'm doing. I'm thinking we're going to use the dimensional transceivers for the cargo piece of it, but I think we're going to do some like passenger rails or something like that. I think that would be kind of cool. And that's the other part that I wanted to get to is wait, we got a reward. Oh, cool. Disassembler. I don't know what a disassembler does. It's from Open Computers as well. Well, in theory, we could program a drone to do mining and stuff, but I don't know that we need that. I don't know if you can have a combat drone. I mean, I literally do not know what to pick here, so I'm just going to go with... Well, let's take a look. I'll base my decision off of... Nah, I don't know. That doesn't look too bad. Looks like it's going to be more of a pain to build the Tier 2 drone if and when we might want to do it, so I'll take that. Yeah, we need to get to that one. I've already done that. Well, okay. I actually have to craft it. Okay, well. Cool. Yeah. Before we got distracted, I was going to this tab. If that's what I think it is, and you can start a village, I think we might want to. I don't know if you can get all of these, but build villages around. And I was kind of looking at my map. Hey, we just got the tree farm delivery. Whatever button that is. If we look at the map, I think right here, if we tear down this pig village, might make a good village site. This area over here, if we tear down that pigman village, might make a good village site also. And if you look at the map, I've been terraforming more. I did this block here, and I placed a bunch of trees. I think we did this block in an earlier episode. And I started doing this block here, but the mining thing, what I just said it the other day, it's not, if I zone away, it goes offline, so I have to break it and replace it. And I leveled off right here. I think what I'm going to do is take the farm and move it over here, and then kind of finish this area off here. But that's plans for another time. Let's go see if our stuff's done processing. Whoa! This way, please. But actually, I've been carrying around that stuff. Let's just do it. And I have no idea what I want here. Tapestry. Cool. Oh, need more paper. That's annoying. But I have a complete Normandy scroll. What's that do? Okay. Alright, it must just be information on the culture. Okay. But that's not anything we need at the moment, I don't think. And you're still processing? No, just graphical glitch. So, yeah, we got tons. Let's see, we need 15. And 1. And we'll just make a bunch. Oh, stop that. I don't want to use that. There we go. And this batch. And there we go. We got a stack of steel. Alright. So then, coming back to what we were doing. We were making a inscriber. And I should have probably had those Felix crystals going. What was that? Dark on dark. This doesn't work. Felix dust and sand, okay. Felix dust, I don't know. In sand. We'll just make it all up. And then of course I'll probably need some more sand. And then we'll on and pop all those guys in there. Now how is that hitting the system? Well, it's not doing too bad. I mean, it's surviving off of. I don't think the big reactor kicked on. Yeah, it's still offline, so it's surviving off of our 320. No, that's 160, 320, and yeah, 400 RF a tick. Looks like it's only using about half. Well, I mean, whatever else I might have running is using only half. Well, I got some of that as a reward. I probably didn't even need to make that. Hooray. We don't need the iron. There we go. And I really didn't need to make all 5 quite yet. But hey, we're making it, so. Alright. Especially since we're only going to set down 1 for now. So we should have completed that quest. Let's do that. And I'm going to go with the crystals. And now we've got a quest for all of that stuff. I actually have to make one? I've got so many. Why do I want to make one? Those were all done, right? Yep. Okay, well. I'm looking for a place to set this stuff. But now we should have what we need to do what we need to do. So we need to make the silicone ones in order to utilize these guys. So let's pop some of those in there. Achievement. Oh, that's right. You can only put 1 at a time in. We need that. Give me that. And it needs to go in the side, I think. I don't know if you can do the front with this. Let's see. Yep. Cool. Now is it going to... Ah, good, it will stack. Alright, so that'll make us up some of that stuff, and if we set another one down, we don't need this many drive bays right now. We can get that set up because we need to make the actual chip. So redstone is what we're gonna need. This is where things get hairy. I'm gonna need I'm trying to think of a good way to do some cheap automation on this. Well, we don't need this in near the ME network, so we can take this with us, and we'll pull that one over too. I need some conduit, some item conduit. That'll do, and probably a chest. What's the closest to being empty? Do I have any spares? No. For once I don't have any spares. All right, well, we'll go low tech on this. There we go. And I think I set a filter somewhere. You know, I'm gonna need, I got a bunch of filters down at the bees. Let's go grab those. Because I'm gonna need filters so that I can direct things appropriately. And it's all moved in here. Yep, tons of filters. Come with me. We got tons of stuff. Oh, I can shut that one off now. Now I've got all of these have 63 bees in it, and I probably got some overflow in that chest there. Turned him off because we don't need any more of the wispy stuff. So we're going to get into making that alvery here real soon. I don't know if it's going to be next episode or not. Depends on how long this applied energistic stuff takes me. Let's see, what can we poke through? Where's my wires running? Okay. I guess we should grab some power cords. Bop. Alright, so let's, I guess, utilize this area we've dug up and pull some power over. And then I'll have to fix the wall later. Stop that. And bring it down here. Now I kind of want to leave the back open. Let's bring it out too. And set some things down here. Now we're going to need to be able to insert into the top, the back, and the bottom. Alright, so let's see. If we want to make a logic press, we only want the printed logic boards to go in the top. So let's grab one of those. And this is going to be our feeder chest. And if we get this all set up, we should be able to just switch it over to Factory Manager later. Let's pull that around. And give me that piece. Come here. There we go. Let's make that safe. Somewhat. There we go. And then we'll put that on extract. Always active. Okay, so that's the beginnings. Now we need to grab a logic, and then I'll get this one set up, and then I can complete the rest of those off camera, I suppose. So let's grab one of these. We got the dust. We're gonna need the silicone bit. So let's grab that. Now we should have everything we need. And this is going to take in the back redstone. So we only want the redstone. Stop. Oh, darn it. Insert redstone. Insert that guy. Let's get away from that block. I don't want that block. And insert our printed silicone. Alright, so now that should take the chest and get everything put away, and then we need to extract out of the front the finished product. So let's well, if we're gonna have a chain, we might as well just run it like that. Alright, extract, always active. So now, if I drop that guy in there, this guy in here, and that guy in there, it should do absolutely nothing. Lovely. Now we debug. Let's see. Extract on green, always active. Insert green, printed silicone. Oop, oop, no, no, no. What am I doing? No! Alright, insert that. It's got power. Oh, I don't, insert that, yes. Oh, is that on blacklist? No, it's on whitelist. I don't get what's happening here. Is it not? I mean, it's connected. Right? Yeah. It's connected. Whitelist. It's all on green. Well, let's see. It's working. It worked feeding it in with a hopper. Something's fishy here. Alright, well, we got this. I'll have to figure out what's wrong with that. Let's, I guess, leave this over here. Oh, is it self-feeding itself? Round robin disabled. I think that's what it's doing. Let's see. Yeah, that's what it's doing. All right. So I'm gonna have to, let's see. Let's extract it on brown and insert on brown. There. That'll do her. Now I can drop some stuff in there and forget about it, basically. Alright, so we were following the book, I suppose. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so we got that, and I guess I'll take 8 more. Now we need to make a calculation one, which we can do. So let's grab one of those. Whoops. Actually, we need the parts, don't we? Inscriber. Okay, so let's set down. We need the other press things, don't we? So we got the logic. We need a calculation press. Pure Certus quartz crystal, which we have. So is that the one we need? We got the logic. We need calculation and engineering. So I hope. So, if I remember right, it's an atomic alloy, a block of steel. No. Stop that. And we want to put that in here. There's logic. And do we have one of those logic chips? No. Mouse is going wonky there. Okay. That is a printed calculation. And wait. I thought that sounded familiar. Wait, what did it? What? Oh, okay. Whew. Here we go. I don't know what's wrong with me today. So we're making the calculation. And of course, that's the wrong one. 50-50 chance and I get it wrong. Okay. Alrighty. Inscribers. So let's just set this guy down here. Oh, wait, we wanted it one out. Like that. Extract. Brown. Not. Yeah. Alright. So then we just set it up in the exact same way. Insert. Full inventory again. I really should have set some stuff down. There we go. So, what was I doing here? I'm going to need the top two, aren't I? We got to insert the redstone in the middle. The silicone will go in the bottom. And I need that wrench I put in here. Filter. Silicone. Insert. And then the actual processor will go in the top. Calculation. There we go. And now I need to remove whatever garbage got in here. There we go. Now I just need enough. Oh, it's only, yeah, only one can go in there. So yeah, that works perfectly. Okay. Hold up. Yeah, I did that wrong. Okay, so okay. So we want, that's not what we want to do. We want to do this. This is to make it with. So we actually want to redo this. Because we want to be able to automate this part too. So we're just gonna want the Cersus quartz crystals to go in here. Let's just clear that filter so it stacks. And then I'll set that up later. This side we don't need to worry about that. Oh, uh-oh. Alright, so that should have made our calculation processor. And I need to empty. Let's just put all of that stuff back. What else can I set down? Wood, sand, gold, iron. Let's put this away somewhere. And all right, so we're going to complete this. Let's just do that. We'll take 8 more of those, and I'll be right back. All right, and we're back. So we're out of time for this episode. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of pretty things up a little bit, and we'll continue on with our applied energistics next episode. But go ahead, leave a like or subscribe, and have a good one, guys.